at the Maverick key cutting machine that's coming out soon. This particular one looks like it is the Maverick MAX, which there are two models, one with the screen like this one without a screen. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right, first thing I pulled out looks like the accessories, which we have two decoders, a 2.0 millimeter cutter, and a 1.5 millimeter cutter right here. Also comes with the Allen key. Looks like 2.5 millimeter on that one, so you could actually remove these cutters and decoders. I have pulled out the actual key cutting jaw for the machine right there. What else do we have? Looks like a USB cable for the manual software updates. And then this one looks like a block for the standard keys that you'll be able to cut on there. Next one, similar only for Honda keys on that. And then right here we have, looks like replacement belts and a shoulder stop with some replacement set screws to hold those cutters and decoders in. And what looks like the calibration key, so you can calibrate the machine. Looks like we got replacement foot pads or rubber pads, looks like, I believe, for the handle, maybe for the bottom, we'll find out. Got the cleaning brush right here. And then last but not least, we have the power supply. Probably one of the most important parts of this whole shindig. Let's go ahead and move on to the machine. All right, there is a handle on top, so that makes it a lot easier to get out. Awesome. This is my first time seeing the machine, so it actually looks pretty good, pretty nice. All right. Go ahead and unbag it. All right, so we got the shield here, which is wrapped from the factory, awesome for protection. And yes, those three rubber bumpers we saw right here are for underneath the handle. All right, there we go. Also looks like there's a battery in the machine, possibly. We'll figure that out. Yeah, this is a good looking machine for the first time me seeing it right here. But yeah, it comes complete with everything you saw right here and should be good to go.